Fertilization. The most vital event of sexual reproduction is perhaps the fusion of gametes. Vital event ख्वाइदगी ने मरु ओइबा ख्वाइदगी important ओइबा event से sexual reproduction da fusions of gametes सिनेबा हाइदी gametes अनि fuse तौबसे पुंछन बसिनेबा को ख्वाइदगी मरु ओइबा sexual reproduction da event sexual reproduction thokpa matam da ख्वाइदगी मरु ओइबा event से को this process called syngamy results in the formation of a diploid zygote. Sigi process sibu syngamy haiba ko results in the formation of diploid zygote. Gamete ani, that means a haploid gamete ani fuse tawbagi process tubu syngamy haiba ko. Aduga adu fuse tawra matungda kai form tawra e hai tardi diploid zygote. Kaigina diploid form tawra diploid haidi twice n haiba ninga saina haploid haiba ko. Gamete ani do haploid gamete ani do punchalaga diploid zygote form taweba. Sida form tawise. Say fuse gamete ani say fuse tawre ko aduga fuse tawra zygote form tawre to zygote si zygote sina twice n ne sina haploid gamete ani dune ba haploid ani punchal laga ko haploid ani punchal laga twice n form tawre adu zygote form tawre new individual la ineba ko. The term fertilization is also often used for this process. Syngamy haibase ko fertilization hairaga su khangnei ba ko haidi zygote form tawbagi process syngamy haibani adu fertilization haiba term su ayamba sizinei ba. The terms syngamy and fertilization are frequently used though interchangeably ko haidi interchangeably haidi sindo amaga haidi fertilization sizinadra su syngamy sizinaba yaiba word se ko terms fusion bu hardi zygote form tawre bu haradi ko adugi process to syngamy su high bi fertilization su high bi ko haidi ontho ozin taw bi ba. What would happen if syngamy does not occur? Kaigumba matamna na syngamy haidi fusions of fertilization se thoktra di kamai taw ni sineba. However, it has to be mentioned here that in some organisms like rotifer, honeybees, and even some lizard and birds turkey, the female gamete undergoes development to form new organism without fertilization. Organism khara ko leiba rotifer, honeybees, even some lizards, birds turkey, female gametes undergo development. Female gametes sing same. Female gametes ne ko development undergo development chatharaga new organism am form taw karam without fertilization su taw dabida ne haidi fusions of gametes se su taw dabida female gametes katang ne develop tawraga ne fertilization su taw dabida organism haidi macha pi bangam ba adugi phenomenon duna parthenogenesis habidi kaino haba matamda organism amana organism ama form tawba ko without fertilization su taw dana ne organism new organism ama form tawbudugi process to bu parthenogenesis haiben ngasai syngamy natraga fertilization haithina organism ko gametes ani fuse tawra matungda zygote diploid zygote form tawbagi process to na fertilization syngamy haiben. Where does syngamy occur? Syngamy se that means a fertilization se kadai da thokke sineba. In most aquatic organisms, such as a majority of algae, fishes, as well as amphibians, syngamy occur in the external medium, water, that is outside the body of the organism. This type of gametic fusion is called external fertilization. Aquatic organism haidi aquatic ising da organism ayambadi ko algae su fishes as well as amphibians sing fertilization se external medium water da thoeba I mean that means a fusions of gametes a male gamete ka fuse tobase water medium da thoeba ko aduna takpadi organism dugi outside the body magi body dugi mapan da thokpani dana mapan gi medium da adugumba gamete fusion do external fertilization ko weba haidi outside organism dugi outside the body da thokpa fertilization do external fertilization ko weba ko organism exhibiting external fertilization show great synchrony between the sexes and release a large number of gametes into the surrounding medium water in order to enhance the chances of syngamy. External fertilization thokpa organism singnaniti ko gametes se large number of gametes puthoe kaigino haiba matamda syngamy thokpagi chances se wangna fertilization thokpai chances se wangna ba kaigino moi outside the body da form tawrabani na ma se predator na so chathokhibe yaida na magi gametes se ko mai marum se predator haidi atopa organism na chathokibsu aduna yam large number of gametes puthu eba ko syngamy se thokna fertilization se thokna bai damakta. This happen in the bony fish and frog where a large number of offspring are produced. Aduna kaigino haiba matamda adu syngamy thokpai chances yam wangadi hadi large number of gametes putho abani na mai macha su yamani na offspring su yamani na syngamy thokpai chances su wangadi. A major disadvantage is that the offspring are extremely vulnerable to predator, threatening their survival up to adulthood. External fertilization give main disadvantage khwaidagi ne haidi moida harmful oi se kai no haibanda disadvantage lai se offspring sing se predator na chathokhi ba yai predator ki machinjak oi ba yai ko top organism ki aduna ma se survive tawna bo hona bada chaur pho survive tawna bo hona bada yam wai ba threaten oi. Next paragraph. In many terrestrial organisms belonging to fungi, higher animals such as reptiles, birds, mammals, and in a majority of plants, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, and angiosperm, syngamy occur inside the body. Terrestrial organism belonging to higher plants, fungi, reptile, birds, sow chicks, mammals are human beings include in a majority of plants haragana bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, and angiosperm se syngamy fertilization se kadai thokke habada fertilization se kai thokke habada ko inside the body da thoeba haidi organism du ne inside the body da thoeba. Hence the process is called internal fertilization. Adugi process tuna internal fertilization haidi kaino habada fertilization se organism dugi body manung da thokpado adu dumneba internal fertilization haise. In all these organisms, egg is formed inside the female body where they fuse with the female gamete. In all these sigumbo organism kuding matane egg se female gamete se egg haise female gamete tu buneba ko female gamete ki manung da produce to ko where they fuse with the male gamete ko female body da dum fuse to doni ko haidi fuse fertilization thok to ni female gamete si su female dugi body manung da form tawdoine aduga fusion thokpasu fertilization thokpadusu female body dugi manung da thoktoine ba male gamete ka fuse tawbasisu ko in organism exhibiting internal fertilization the male gamete is motile and has to reach the egg in order to fuse in it haidi ngana haini se kaino internal fertilization thokpa organism da di male gamete se motile haidi movement yai ba male gamete ne female gamete tana changdoine female body da changedana adu female gamete tana changdoine ba egg yaudone ba aduga fuse tawdoine ba. In this event, through the number of sperm produced is very large, there is a significant reduction in number of eggs produced. Haidi ko sperm haidi male gamete tu buneba produce tawbai chang se ko yam large oi ba ko female gamete tu ga yengna tardi kaigino haiba matamda mana female gamete to female gamete to gi manak yongna chatpa honabada ne sperm myam ma an kai loss oi ba yarakani ba adu compensate tawna bo honabada sperm se large number of puthoeba. In seed plants, however, the non-motile male gametes are carried to female gamete by pollen tube. Seed plants tadine male gametes se non-motile oi sim movement yadeba se movement yadabanina ma se kaina pollen tube na pureba female gamete tan pollen tube sina female gamete tan male gamete se pubi doineba. Next and last event ko sexual reproduction gi last event se post fertilization event. Hojikna fertilization thokre ko gamete ani do fuse toraga fertilization thokre adugi matungi event tu buneba post fertilization event haise. Events in sexual reproduction after the formation of zygote are called post-fertilization events. Sexual reproduction hai the formation of zygote form tawraba matungda tholakpa event to adudubuneba post-fertilization event hai zygote hai di kaino haibada ngasai haploid gamete ani fuse tawraga diploid zygote form tawbudo adu in zygote haise. Ahanbada zygote ni ko tamdoi selse khoina zygote horani. Formation of the diploid zygote is universal in all sexually reproducing organisms. Sexual reproduction thokpo organism the diploid zygote form tawba se universal in natural neba. In organism with external fertilization, zygote is formed in the external medium, usually water. Organism ko external fertilization thokpo organism se zygote se kaida form tawi haiba matamda water gumba medium external medium da samna harbada water da form tawiba adubu internal fertilization thokpo organism sing da zygote se organism dugi body manung da form tawi karamba body oidona female body manung da zygote form tawiba. Further development of the zygote depends on the type of life cycle the organism has and the environment it is exposed to. Haidi organism zygote se kamaina develop tawrake kadai kamaina form taimas external fertilization thoga form tawpa zygote la natra internal fertilization thoga form tawpa zygote la adumaina adugi depend taw aduda depend tawragane zygote ki life cycle se karamba organism de exposed tawni mase karamba environment exposed tawni karamba organism no haisa aduda depend tawraga adumai khangdokani ba. In organisms belonging to fungi and algae, zygote develops a thick wall that is resistant to desiccation and damage. Organism belonging to fungi, algae, organisms in the zygote thick wall, mangonda wall amana cover taweba ko. Develop taweba ko wall ama zygote ki ko thick wall aduna kaida kanagi haiba matamda damage kaigumba outer dagi damage ama lakpa matamda desiccation ama lakpa damta adudo thingnabagi damakta ko resist tawnabagi damakta. It undergoes a period of rest before germination. Period of rest hai tardine germinate tawdringai da macha ondringai individual ondringai da ne period of rest haidi matam khara ne moise rest loweba. In organism with haploid life cycle, zygote divides by meiosis to form haploid spore that grow into haploid individuals. Organism ko haploid life cycle oiba. Organism dadi zygote se meiosis na divide tawi hai that means a reduction division thu eba ko aduna haploid spore form tawrani aduga haploid spore dudagi haploid individual laktoini ba that means ama khatang n types ki individuals laktoini ba ko. Next paragraph, zygote is the vital link that ensures continuity of species between organisms of one generation and the next. Zygote haise kaino have the vital ya maru oiba link nebo ko mari lainaba ya maru oiba link makhala mane karamba species sama organism gi species sama se ko generation after generation continue tawhange hai tardi zygote form tawbasisu ya maru oiba event link amaneba haidi kaigino haibam zygote form tawradi macha ola roidana haidi new individual ma puthoroidana zygote aduna zygote sisu zygote form tawbusu ya maru oiba event amani habaneba ko species ama continuity generation after generation chahi shangsina continuity lehange high tard. Every sexually reproducing organism, including human being, begin life as a single cell, the zygote. Ko zygote is a single cell ni ko multicellular nate. Sexually reproducing organ, sexual reproduction chatharaga puthokpo organisms including human being yauna akhoi human beings yauna ko zygote says single cell oina begin hore in heba haidi si akwai se single cell organism oina haura ineba ko adudagi cell se sum divide tara akwai se multicellular or lakpai wane ba ahan badadi single cell organism oina haura ineba single cell organism haise the zygote puneba ko next post fertilization event ki next na embryogenesis. Embryogenesis refer to the process of development of embryo from the zygote. Embryogenesis haisna kaino haiba matamda ngasai zygote form tawkhredana. Zygote form tawra matungda zygote tudagi embryo develop tawrapagi process to buneba embryogenesis haise. During embryogenesis, zygote undergoes cell division, mitosis, and cell differentiation. Embryogenesis study ne zygote se cell divide tawba hawraniba. Ngasai zygote se single cell organism oiramidana hojikti cell divide tawraga multicellular ona bolok toiniba. Zygote se cell division, mitosis satharani aduga cell differentiation sathari. While cell division increase the number of cell in the developing embryo. Dasai haise cell division sina kai thokhange haiba matamda ngasai developing embryo develop tawriba embryo dudane cell masing hengat haleba. Cell differentiation helps group of cells to undergo certain modification to form specialized tissue and organs to form an organism. Ngasai haidana cell differentiation haisina kaino habita ngasai form tawriba cell meam masing hengaleiba cell meam form tawrida group semani dana group adugi group tuna tissue olani tissue tudagi organ olani organ tudagi organism ama form tawroktoiniba. Haidi full organism haidi mature organism ama form tawroktoiniba. Next paragraph, animals are categorized into oviparous and viviparous based on whether the development of the zygote takes place outside the body of the female parent or inside, that is whether they lay fertilized or unfertilized eggs or give birth to young ones. Animals se category ani thokna khaidueba oviparous haibama viviparous haibama kaida base taraga zygote na develop tawrise outside the body ra female dugi inside the body ra haiba da ko that means moise lay eggs oina puthokpra natraga young ones hoida macha oina pokpra direct macha oina pokpra haiba da base taraga si mayam sing sida base taraga oviparous ka viviparous haina khaidueba. In oviparous like reptiles and birds, the fertilized egg covered by hard calcareous cells are laid in a safe place in the environment. After a period of incubation, young ones hatch out. Oviparous haitardi kaino haba matamda egg oina puthokpado marum oina puthokpado adudubunebo fertilized egg se hard covering ama yaweba ko mapanda ko cover to calcareous cell ko heba ko aduna incubation haide moidi marum koli dana aduduneba incubation period haise adu loiraba matungda macha tholaktoini dana adudagi aduna calcareous cell se moina kaigino haiba matamda moigi wall oina happy se kaina haida outer environment the predator dagi ngakthoknabagi damaktineba. On the other hand, in viviparous animals, majority of animals including human beings, viviparous haitardi direct machao ina pibado, machao ina pokpado, including a human beings yang ko. The zygote develops into a young one inside the body of the female organism. Sidana viviparous study zygote se male inside the body had a female body dane develop tawe ko aduga young ones pieba haidi macha pieba. After attaining a certain stage of growth, the young ones are delivered out of the body of the female organism. Certain stage of growth haidi certain 9 months pregnant oidana human being ta harade 9 months pregnant oidana adu do growth tawrini dana individual da manungda embryo do develop sum tawraga offspring puthoknabagi damaktane 9 months growth tawhalidana ko adu loirabana matungda adu complete oira matungda female organism dagi young one to deliver tawrktone poktoineba ko. Because of proper embryonic care and protection, the chances of survival of young one is greater in viviparous organism. Aduna mahoidi female inside the female organism da develop tawbani dana female organism da develop tawbani dana aduna moidi caring se yam wangi protection se yam wangi aduna oviparous tagidi viviparous organism na survive the way chance se wangi ba viviparous na ko. Next paragraph. In flowering plants, the zygote is formed inside the ovule. Flowering plants tadine plants ta haradi flowering plants ta haradi ko zygote se ovule the form taweba. After fertilization, the sepal, petals, and stamens of the flower wither and fall off. Fertilization tawra matung the sepal, petals, and stamen. Sepal, petals, and stamen hai tardi. Laigi laina singdo laina laikhok singdo loi kiengrani bako. Fertilize tawra matung dadi. The pistil, however, remain attached to the plant. Pistil diko. Pistil hai di female reproductive structure doko. Adudi plant to adum attached tarle hauniba. The zygotes develop into embryo and the ovules develop into the seed. Aside zygote to na embryo the develop torni, ovule the na seed the develop torni. Adugo ovary sina na fruit the develop tor si se next chapter 2 the ne hana khang kani kai kai no si se tongan ba se sing se ovary hai se kai no ovule hai se kai no ha ba se si processing loi khang kani ko chapter 2 do in detail the harage. The ovary develops into fruit, which develop a thick wall called pericarp. Ovary is now fruit develop fruits ki magi thick wall amlay aduna pericarp ko that is protective in function. Protective haidi protection b bako. Pericarp has after dispersal seed germinate under favorable condition to produce new plant. Dispersal moigi kay process lower matung na sitto ngasai ovule degi piba sitto sittuna ne germinate toraga ne mayon chongkhalaga favorable condition da ne moina pamjaba condition du da ne ko new plant ama du degi produce tawdone ba. Next is summary say student yambadi lo skip to 90% of student skip to summary sida ne chapter manung de yaw daba point so yam yaw bane summary se skip so no important ne summary se loina pao. Duga see exercises se Ncert gi exercises so skip suk to no exercises sing so important lo in oi bane do se skip suk to no sina si chapter sigi chapter se lo shale tuna sigi exercises ki solution Ncert gi solution extra notes duga extra question yung pama so dum habiro ay description link ta dum hapsarake